Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject is English. Dear students, today we will study unit 3, lesson 2, phonics and words. Are you ready? Good. This lesson is at page number 15 in your book. Okay. First we read the question. Read the words with the EA, E and ING ing sound. Match the pictures to the words. We read again. Read the words with the EA and ING sound. Match the pictures to the words. Now look at these pictures. What are they? Tea, ice cream, meat, leaf, eating, reading. Yes, eating, reading. Now look at these pictures again and say tea, ice cream, meat, leaf, eating, reading. Now read these words: tea, ice cream, meat, leaf, eating, reading. Now match these words with these pictures. First we match tea with this picture. Yes. Now match ice cream with this picture, and now match meat with this picture, and now match leaf with this picture, and now match eating with this picture, and now match reading with this picture. Okay, first we read these words: sitting, ing, sitting, drinking, standing, running, swimming, playing, ing, sitting, drinking, standing, running, swimming, playing. Now match all these pictures with these words. Match sitting with this picture. Okay, match drinking with this picture, match standing with this picture, match running with this picture, and match swimming with this picture. Okay, and now match playing with this picture. You will do this question. Now question B, complete the sentences using EA or ING. Complete the sentences using E or ing. Number 1, yes, look at this picture. What is Ali doing? Ali is drinking some tea. Yes, Ali is drinking some tea. Repeat after me. Ali is drinking some tea. You write here ing, drinking. You add ing here, like this, ing. Ali is drinking some tea. Tea, what's the spelling of tea? T-E-A. E sound. T-E-A, tea, like this. Ali is drinking some tea. Now look at Fiza is eating some beans and meat. Look at this picture. Fiza is eating. You add ing here. Some beans. You add e beans, and ea meat. E. Fiza is eating some beans and meat. You add ing here, and you add ea here, and you add ea here. Now read this sentence again. Fiza is eating some beans and meat. Now the third one, look at this picture. What is she doing? She is sitting and reading. She is sitting and reading. Now look at Sarah is sitting, add ing here, and reading. E, long sound, E. Sarah is sitting and reading. Put ing here. Sarah is sitting and reading. Add ea here. Now read this sentence again. Sarah is sitting and reading. Number 4, the last one. Look at this picture. What is he doing? He is swimming. Yes, he is swimming. Daddy is swimming. Now read this sentence. Daddy is swimming in the river. Daddy is swimming in the river. Daddy is swimming. Now add ing here like this. Daddy is swimming in the river. Now read this question first. Put the words in the correct columns. Put the words in the correct columns. First read all these words: cakes, mangoes, beans, eggs, ice cream, sweets. Cakes, mangoes, beans, eggs, ice cream, sweets. Now this is the column of sweet food and this is the column of salty food. You know, each food has different taste. Okay, some foods are sweet and some foods are salty. Here some foods are sweet and some foods are salty. Now first check cakes. Are cakes sweet in taste? Yes, they are. Are mangoes sweet in taste? Yes, they are. They are sweet in taste. Are beans sweet in taste? No. Beans are vegetables, and you know, after cooking, when you eat beans, they give you salty taste. Okay. Now, eggs. Are eggs sweet in taste? No. Eggs are salty in taste. Ice cream, yes, ice cream is very sweet. Ice cream is sweet in taste. And sweets, like toffees, candies, yes, they are sweet in taste. Sweets are sweet in taste. Okay. Now, cakes, one has been done for you. Now, write mangoes. Where will you write mangoes? In sweet food or salty food? Yes, mangoes. You will write mangoes in sweet food because they are sweet in taste. Now, beans. Beans are salty in taste. Yes, you write beans here in this column like this. Eggs. Eggs are salty in taste. You write eggs in this column like this. Now, ice cream. Ice cream is sweet in taste. You write ice cream in this column in sweet food like this. And the last one, sweets. Sweets are sweet in taste. So you write sweets in this column, sweet food. Okay. Now your lesson has been completed. Now I'm going to talk to your parents. Guideline for parents. Ask the child to read all the words with EA and ING. पेज नंबर 15 पे जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए ई ए और ING वर्ड्स हैं उन वर्ड्स की रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करवाइए बच्चों को. नंबर 2, टेल द चाइल्ड मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्वीट एंड सॉल्टी फूड. बच्चों को जो बुक में एग्जांपल्स दी हुई हैं उनके अलावा स्वीट एंड सॉल्टी फूड के और एग्जांपल्स बताइए. नंबर 3, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू राइट ऑल आंसर्स एट पेज 15. बच्चे से वो तमाम आंसर्स जो हमने पीछे किए हैं उस बुक के पेज नंबर 15 में वो तमाम आंसर्स लिखवाएं. वो क्वेश्चन ए, क्वेश्चन बी और क्वेश्चन सी को करेंगे. जज़ाकल्लाह. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.